welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some cheesecake style overnight oats. These are a lovely addition to have in the summer because they're nice and cool and quite easy. There's only 5 ingredients in this one. As usual, I will leave the ingredients list just in the next slide so you can screenshot this and make it yourself. So stay tuned and we'll get started with it. For this recipe you do need to use a blender, so I've got my NutriBullet plugged in here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I've weighed out my frozen fruit. So today I'm using mango, and I've just left that to defrost a little bit so it will blend up a bit easier. You obviously want to make it as easy as you can for your blender. And then into my fruit I'm going to pop my milk. And I'm also going to pop a tablespoon of yogurt, so I'm using soy yogurt. And what I would say, if I wasn't using a vanilla flavoured yogurt, I would actually use a bit of vanilla essence or extract in there just so it gives it a bit of flavour. And then we're going to pop our lid on a blender and whisk that up. And that's our fruit mix blended together. So it's quite thick and creamy at this stage because it is still a bit frozen. And then what we need to do next is get our dry ingredients ready. So in a bowl that I'm going to use for breakfast tomorrow, I'm going to pop my rolled oats. And then I'm also going to put in a tablespoon of chia seeds. So you can use chia seeds or flax seeds, something just to give you a bit of protein. And then in goes our fruit mix. And I'm just going to scrape my lid as well to get all that good stuff in there. And then I'm going to give that a mix together to combine it. And that's it, that's all combined. So what I'm going to do now is pop my beeswax cover onto mine. It's got some cute little ice cream designs, and pop that off into the fridge just so it chills off overnight. The oats will expand and the chia seeds will absorb lots of that moisture, and then when we come to it tomorrow it'll be like cheesecake oats. So we'll just pop a clip of what it looks like when you get to it tomorrow just in the next slide. So it's the next morning now, and this is what my cheesecake style overnight oats are looking like. And you could actually pop some broken up biscuits on the top of these if you wanted to, but I'm just going to enjoy it as it is. Thank you for watching the recipe today. That was how to make the cheesecake style overnight oats. Quite an easy one to do and quite nice, especially at the moment here in the UK it's gone quite warm, so it is a nice summer edition. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like if you did. If you do make this yourself, don't forget to tag me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll leave my links down in the description box. And also don't forget you can subscribe. It's free to do. It does just help my channel out. So you can click up here and you can catch my previous video just over here. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!